right here is Andrew's first time shooting an AR-15. Go ahead, Andy, squeeze it all. Whenever you're ready, bud. You done? Yeah. Here, let me, hold on. Go ahead, bring it in. See how well we did. Okay. See how well you did there, buddy. I went for a 10, then it just kind of cool. See how well you hit at. You can killed anybody. Hey, you're hitting alright, you're a little left. Oh! Oh, look at that! I hit his ear a couple times. He shot us in the ear. When I was aiming for this, I actually got it all 4 times, then I just started tapping it, and I missed him. Here, send it back out, record me, the bigger hit in. Alright. Alright, we have 2 in the head, the ears don't even count. So we have 4 in the chest, that was mine. 4 in the chest, 4 in the square. Yeah, 4 in the, alright, yeah. Let's see how this goes. It goes up. Here, let me move this away. Dude. Oh, shit. Wait, there you go, buddy. See what Joe can do. Remember, I had 4 in the red and 2 in the head. I don't know how to turn it off, but just go ahead, leave it going. How are we going to leave it going? Huh? I want to see what I have. Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot. Alright, I had 4 in the red and 2 in the head. The ones in the ear don't even count, I tried. There were 4 in the red, 2 in the head. Let's see what Joe had to do it. There you go, buddy. That's definitely more than 4 in the red. Yeah, that motherfucker. That's 50 yards. I think that's all your shots. It is all my shots. Let's see. The count disclude 4, so we'll count not these 5 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's like they go through the same spot a couple times. It's like, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Landed, alright? Landed.